and thank you for joining me on this special die-cast powder coat and restoration video. Today we'll be going for a ride on my nearly restored 1963 Raleigh RM6 Runabout. All the panels are now finished with normal spray paint, and there's just a few more things to do which I'll probably powder coat, but if you're ready we'll go out for a little ride. First thing to do is turn the fuel on, push the throttle grip forward which opens the decompression lever, and a little bit of a flick on the choke, and then we should be ready to go. I'll be starting this engine from cold. Nice little 50cc engine, very underpowered but fun to ride, and that lovely smell of two-stroke oil. Okay, off we go now. Be a very noisy, bumpy ride, as the moped doesn't have any suspension at all, just the tyres. We also have to cope with the lovely Surrey roads of potholes. Now this is Shepperton in Surrey, coming down towards the river now. Okay, still avoiding the potholes. As I say, it's very bumpy, but it's fun to ride as long as you avoid the potholes. Looks like we're doing about 60 miles an hour, but it's only 20, I would say. And now arriving at Shepperton Lock. Now, push the throttle lever forward to open the decompressor, and it stops it. Once again, thank you very much for watching the video today. I hope you did enjoy this little bit of a special, and hope to see you again soon. Thank you.